So Sarah, innovation and action, one of the things that we care the most about.
Yeah.
We saw a lot of that today.
Checking out their elementary school, we crashed a potluck where teachers were celebrating their professional learning community.
Classroom teachers making decisions about what their grade level instruction looked like.
And then we were fortunate to spend some time with the superintendent touring some of their new construction to see how they're putting community engagement and innovation together inside of their facilities. Got to watch some kids working on an exercise around density to figure out what floats.
And we had kids making their own choices about what they needed from their learning.
It was an amazing visit to see how a small community can pool its resources together around the importance of school and how it impacts everyone's lives in the community